Hello everyone, today I'm sharing with you my CS50P final project, the electrophilic warhead matter for covalent compounds. This project is inspired by covalent drug discovery. I'm interested in finding covalent drugs that are approved or in clinical trials because these real-world examples offer valuable insights for designing new covalent drugs. To explore this, I developed a program that helps identify covalent compounds based on their electrophilic warhead. I started this project by breaking the program into smaller tasks. This program should be able to do at least two things. First, the program needs to take in a collection of compounds. For this project, this input can either be the library of compounds in clinical trials or approved drugs. Second, it needs to identify which of these compounds look like covalent drugs by checking whether their structures contain a reactive electrophilic functional group. I wanted this program to create a list for each electrophile type, categorize any potential covalent compounds, and draw the compounds with their electrophilic warheads highlighted. Now I will show you how this program identifies and categorizes compounds in clinical trials. To do this, first I leverage the class function to instantiate 4 empty compound lists, one for each warhead type. Then the getCompound function talks to the CID smiles name function, which is a hidden action in this code block here. Then the CID smiles name function takes the JSON input, and the function's generator yields the compound smiles, CID, and name one by one. The generated smiles will be checked by the getCompound function, and the getCompound function will figure out if the compound's smiles contains a match to a warhead's smarts. If it does, the compound will be appended to the corresponding warhead list. The identified compounds will be printed on the screen. The compounds will also be drawn and saved as a PNG file. Let's run this. As the output, we'll first be notified about the warhead type, a quick summary of all the compounds identified to have a nitrile, and the number of items in the nitrile list. We'll see the program prints compounds that have a nitrile group, its CID, and its compound name one by one. Once the program finishes identifying compounds with a nitrile, it'll move on to acrylamide, and then beta-lactam, and then finally boronic acid. To summarize the results of this project, I have analyzed compounds in clinical trials and compounds from the Orange Book. The number of identified covalent compounds in each category is summarized here.